Everyone, in today's video we will see how to transfer your Mint eSIM to a new phone. Mint Mobile eSIM transfer. To transfer your Mint eSIM to a new phone, you cannot transfer eSIM to a new phone. Whether you switch the phone, you need to buy a new SIM and install in your new device. You can buy up to 2 eSIM for free per year. Step 1. Ensure compatibility. Check your phone is unlocked and compatible using Mint Mobile Network. To check compatibility, go to Compatibility Check website. Under the Quick Check by Model and Brand, input your brand and model. Alternatively, you can also use IMEI number. Android, go to Settings, then About, Device, then Status. For iPhone, go to Settings, then General, then About. Step 2. Check your phone is unlocked. For iOS, go to Settings, then Cellular option. If it is not visible, your phone is locked. For Android, go to Google, then enter your mobile model to see the status. If your phone is locked, you have to contact current provider to unlock it. Alternatively, you can also test by inserting a different SIM card. If your phone connect to another network or activate a Mint trial, it is unlocked. Step 3. Download the Mint app. Go to Play Store, App Store, search for Mint Mobile app. Click on Install button next to the Mint app. Open the Mint app and log in to your account. Click on Account option at the bottom right corner of the phone. Step 4. Buy new eSIM. Scroll down and go to the SIM card section. Click on Change Device. Under the Change Device section, choose Get New SIM. Wait for the Mint Mobile to pass through your past history. Tap This is my new device to confirm you are in a new phone. From the purchase screen, click on Checkout option. Step 5. Install new eSIM. If warning message appears, select I am connected on Wi-Fi. Enter your SIM code you received on your phone. Click Continue and click on Checkout. Wait until the checkout process completes. Select Install eSIM and follow the on-screen instruction. You do not need to scan for eSIM since you are not transferring physical eSIM to eSIM. The process is quick and simple. All set. Now the SIM is ready to use. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.